Hey man, right now it's all about being cool in the form of fans. Now, why did we go with electric fans? Because you know the drill. You got those old clutch fans or flex fans, and they're pulling no air when you're sitting there at idle when you need it most, stuck in traffic at a red light. You know the scenario. So we hooked up with our friends at Meradyne, and I gotta tell you, man, these fans are unreal. They move so much air, so convenient how they're set up. Let me show you a couple of cool features. So these ram air doors, these are gonna open up when you're traveling down, all right? Allow obviously air to pass through, kind of a cool little design. It's all glass-filled nylon construction, so it's super strong. Not only the shroud, but the blades as well. You see the strengthening ribs we have here, all right? Rigidity everywhere you look on the shroud. You gotta love that. And then just the setups that they have, really 225 watt motors. Watch how this thing moves air. They should call this the big bad wolf setup because it would literally blow your house down. Here you go, check this. See my hair? Okay, I know that's an exaggeration, but wow, these things really, really move a ton of air. And let me show you something else that's super cool, all right, about Meradyne. So they have all kinds of setups for different scenarios. So say you have a crossover radiator. That you're gonna need the one with the top and the bottom mounting flanges. Say you have tanks on the top and bottom. You're gonna need the side mounting flanges. Or like we have here, right, where it's universal and they've seen you all the hardware you need. And again, man, super tough construction. They move a ton of air, all the rigidity and strength and durability you want in there, and they're gonna last forever and keep this ride cool. So check it out. Meradyne fans, now we just gotta get this thing in here and keep that LS cool, all right?